In the previous video, we saw how to change the background color and the text color of our web page. In this video, we are going to change the font property and font style using the HTML tags. So let's head over to our Atom text editor. So this is the text we left here. So let's simply add HR here. Below that, add H1 here and add one space between the text we're gonna display and copy and paste it for 9 more times. So we are gonna use different tags for different font properties using HTML basically. So let's add B tag, which is used for bolding our text. So let's cancel out the extra spaces from here and add hey bold text. Save it and refresh it. Look, we got a bold text here. Write bold text. Cut this out from here and paste it after the bold text. And refresh it. So this is our bold text here. So now let's use another tag for having different style property using HTML. So the next tag we're going to use is strong tag. And so let's display text as strong and let's write text2. Save it and refresh it. Look, we've got a bit different text now and the strong text because of the strong tag here. So the next tag is for italic text. So simply write I here and the text we're going to display is italic text. And simply refresh it. Look, we got an italic text here. The difference is seen easily on the screen. So let's use another tag here, which is EM tag, which is basically emphasis tag. It emphasizes our text. Emphasis text. Now refresh our browser. Look, our text looks a bit emphasized. That is a bit similar to italic, not same as italic. So let's add another tag here, which is mark. And let's write mark. Refresh it, you will get a background around your text, which is of yellow color. This is used for just highlighting the text. You can use the style property here. Okay, let's first write style tag here and add the property as background color. You can change the background color easily here. As we saw in the previous video, background color is red. Save it and refresh it. So now background color will turn into red color. So it is highlighted in red color. So now let's use another tag here. Go to H1 and let's write small tag here, which just decreases the font size of our text using HTML. No CSS is required here. Hey, small text. Save it and refresh it. Just observe the difference between the first text and the last text. You will see a major difference between the both. Just add DL tag, which is delete tag, which just displays a line on our text. Look, this says delete type of font we can use in our HTML. Now let's use another tag, which is INS. which is used to underline our text, inserted text, refresh it. We got underline below our text. So let's go to another HTML tag, which is subscript, which basically what it does is it displays a text in the smaller size of the image below the default font. So now let's write here H2O, which is the molecular formula for H2O, which is water. You can write all these molecular formulas with the help of this subscript tag. So what if we wanted a 2 to be on the upper side? Like there are different things which require like square root, cube root. So let's use the superscript tag here. Let's simply write www and let's use the superscript tag here. Superscript SUP, which is, and the text which you want to display is on the above side of our text, which is 845. Cancel out the extra spaces and save it and refresh it. So we got this 845 of our default text. In this video we learned some different HTML tags which are used for styling our fonts. You can also change the background color as white and refresh it. So look, our background color has changed to white color. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.